Good evening, it's Peter Boulton. What a great reminder today as I've come down to Whitstable in Kent and taken some time out just to walk along the beach and enjoy the sun as it's starting to go down, and it'll be setting in about an hour and a half's time, I guess. And I think it's about that balance between health, wealth, self and social. In other words, as we go through life, not necessarily just focusing on work and wealth and what are we doing about our incomes and so on and so forth, but trying to create a nice balance in life so that we can actually enjoy some things on the health side of things. And whether that's walking or getting exercise or going to the gym or going swimming, having some health activity every day in our lives has got to help preserve, the bodies that carry us around. From the wealth side, then the wealth is about income producing activities, and sometimes it's good to take time out to consider what those might be. What are we really doing on a daily basis which helps to generate the income or the wealth that we want within our businesses? The third area is self. So it's health, wealth, self. And self can be a sort of spiritual experience, or perhaps about self-development and thinking about, where are we in our mindset? Have we taken time out to calm down and chill out and start to really think about what's important in life without being just involved in the busyness of what's happening within our jobs and our workspaces and our businesses? And social is the fourth part of that balancing act. Health, wealth, self and social, and how important it is to spend time with the people that we love, our families, etc., etc. And that's what I'm doing today. My son and my wife are just up in front of me with the dog, and they're enjoying a walk, and I'm now going to go and catch them up and enjoy their company for the rest of the evening, and perhaps even fish and chips on the beach. Anyway, I'll share that with you. I hope you're doing well, and perhaps we'll talk again.